Hi everyone, this is Arul Jothi from the Department of Biochemistry. In this video, we are going to see about the architecture of cells. Actually, cells are the structural and fundamental unit of life. The study of cells from its basic structure to the functions of every cell organelle is called as the cell biology. Cells are usually made up of cytoplasm and which is enclosed by a membrane. It is present in all most several biomolecules like proteins, nucleic acids, and lipids. All organisms are made up of cells, which may be unicellular or multicellular. They are the complex and their components perform various functions in an organism. They are of different shapes and sizes. In this picture, you can see the structure of a cell in a clear manner. The characteristics of cells include cells provide the structure and support to the body of an organism. The cell interior is organized into different individual organelles surrounded by a separate membrane. The nucleus holds the genetic information necessary for the reproduction and cell growth. Every cell has one nucleus and membrane-bound organelles in the cytoplasm. Mitochondria, a double membrane-bound organelle, which is the main responsible for the energy transactions. Endoplasmic reticulum also plays an important role in the internal organization of the cell. Lysosomes digest the unwanted materials of the cell structure. The types of cells includes the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotic cells, they have no nucleus, and instead some prokaryotes, such as bacteria, have a region within the cell where the genetic material is freely suspended. They are single-celled microorganisms. The examples for prokaryotic cell are bacteria, cyanobacteria, and archaea. The cell size mostly ranges from 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer in diameter, whereas the eukaryotic cells have the nucleus. The cell size ranges between 10 to 100 micrometer in diameter. This eukaryotic cell category includes the plants, fungi, protozoans, and even animals. The plasma membrane is responsible for monitoring the transport of nutrients and electrolytes in and out of the cells. These eukaryotic cells they reproduce sexually as well as asexually. Examples are plant cells and animal cells. For plant cells, mostly they contains the chloroplast, central vacuoles, and other plastids, whereas the animal cells do not have these features. Cell structure, actually the cell structure comprises individual components with specific functions essential to carry out the life process. These components includes the cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, and cell organelles. Cell membrane, it supports and protects the cell and controls the movement of the substances. It is the outer covering of a cell within which all other organelles such as cytoplasm and nucleus are more enclosed. It forms a wall-like structure between two cells as well as between the cell and its surroundings. Cell wall, it is the most prominent part of the plant cell structure, which is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin. The cell wall is present exclusively in plant cells. It protects the plasma membrane and other cellular components. It provides shape and support to the cells and protects them from mechanical shocks or injuries. Cytoplasm is a thick, clear, jelly-like substance which is present inside the cell membrane. The cell organelles such as endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, mitochondria, ribosomes are suspended in the cytoplasm. Nucleus, it contains the hereditary material of the cell, that is the DNA. It sends signals to the cells to grow, mature, and divide and even die. The nucleus is surrounded by a nuclear envelope which separates the DNA from the rest of the cells. cell organelles. The nucleus protects the DNA and it is an integral component of the cell structure. Thank you.